Now exercise 7.1 question number first. Figure is given. Now write down the given thing. What is given? Quadrilateral ACBD. In this quadrilateral, AC is equals to BD. Means in quadrilateral ACBD, it is not ABCD, it is ACBD. AC is equals to AD. These two sides are equal. Again, AB bisects angle A. AB bisects angle A. It is given, and which thing you have to show here? To show or to prove? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. These two triangles are congruent. And what can you say about BC and BD? What can you say about BC and BD? Means what is the relation between BC and BD? We have to find out it. Now it is the proof, geometrical proof. Firstly, we have to use the given thing. BC and BD, these are the parts of triangles. Means simply we have to show that these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, consider the triangle ACB and triangle ADB. In triangle ACB and triangle ADB, it is given that AC is equals to AD. AC is equals to AD. Again, AB is the common side for both the triangles. Means AB is the side of this triangle and AB is the side of this triangle, which is common, means equal. Means you can write here AB is equals to AB. Give the reason. It is a common side, and for the first each and every only 3 elements you have to show for congruency, और सभी को आपको रीजन देनी है. नाउ AC is equals to AD. It is already given. Give the reason given. AB is equals to AB. ये जो लिया हमने, it is common side. Reason for that. Now only one part is remaining to show the triangles are congruent. Now use the given thing again. Second given thing, AB bisect angle A. Means this line AB bisect angle A. Means these two angles are equal. Angle CAB and angle DAB. Angle CAB is equals to angle DAB. Now what is the reason? AB is bisector of angle A. Means bisector divides the angle in two equal parts. These are the two equal parts. Now in these two triangles, these two sides and their included angle equals to these two sides and their included angles. Means by SAS criteria, both the triangles are congruent. Triangle ACB is congruent to triangle ADB. Two sides and their included angle means SAS criteria. By SAS criteria, both the triangles are congruent. And if the triangles are congruent, remaining parts are also equal. And in this triangle, two sides we consider here. The remaining side is BC and BD, which are the corresponding sides, and that are also equal. Means BC is equals to BD. और reason आएगा corresponding elements of the congruent triangles CPCT या CSCT sides. These are the sides, that why you can consider CSCT also. CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. These two are also equal. क्या show करना था आपको? We have to show that triangles are congruent. And what can you say about BC and BD? Then BC and BD, these are equal. Both the answers are ready. That is the proof. Now question number second, ABCD, this quadrilateral is given figure. Now first write down the given thing in the example. Example is given, only we have to write the important things which are useful for the proof. Now here it is given quadrilateral ABCD, AD is equals to BC. These two sides are equal. In quadrilateral ABCD, AD is equals to BC. Again angles are equal. DAB is equals to angle CBA. These two parts are equal, and you have to show that to prove. Three parts you have to prove here. First one, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Second part, BD is equals to AC. And third part, angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. And in only one proof all these things will be covered. Means you have to just show that these two triangles are congruent. In simplicity you can write sides are equal, angles are equal. Means you have to just find out three congruent parts of the two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Now see the figure. To write the proof, consider the triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Now ABD means ABD, this triangle, this one dark shaded, and the other triangle is BAC, this one, this triangle. Now in these two triangles, firstly given AD is equals to BC, AD is equals to BC. Reason देना इस स्टेप को given. Second part, DAB, angle DAB means this angle is equals to angle CBA. CBA means this angle. Directly you can write these parts. Angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. It is also given. Means two parts are already given. You have to just find out one part which is congruent between both the triangles. Now see here, if you check the names of the triangles here, AB and BA, it is common. And when you consider segment AB and segment BA, both are same. Means here this side AB is common for both the triangles, BAD and CAD. In both the triangles AB side is common. Means you can write here AB is equals to BA, which is common side. And now three parts are there. Means you can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. And which is the criteria here? Two sides and angles. See AB and AD, these two sides and their included angle means SAS. AB side, BC side and their included angle SAS criteria. Both the triangles are congruent by SAS criteria. Means your first proof is ready. Now both the triangles are congruent. In simplicity we can say that corresponding sides are equal. Means BD is equals to AC, and corresponding angles are also equal. Angle ABD is equals to angle BAC, and reason for both same, CP CT, corresponding congruent parts of corresponding parts of congruent triangles. All these parts are equal. You can consider angles also in simplicity and sides also. These three are your proof. First, to show triangle are congruent. In the second proof, ABD is equals to AC, and in the third statement you have to show both the angles are equal. All these are equal by simplicity. Triangles are congruent by SAS criteria. Now see question number 3. See the diagram. It is given that BC and AD, both the lines are parallel to AB. Means write down in given, AD is not parallel, perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to AB. And again it is given that AD and BC are equal. Means AD is equals to BC. All these things are given. Now to prove. Which thing you have to prove here? Show that CD bisect AB. CD bisects AB. Means this CD bisect this segment AB, means AB segment is divided into two equal parts and parts of AB are OA and AB. Means in short, mathematically you have to show that OA is equals to OB. That is OA is equals to OB. This thing you have to show here. CD bisect AB means AB is divided into two equal parts. That parts are OA and AB that are equal. OA is equals to OB. This thing you have to show that here. And now see two triangles. In these two triangles we have to find out three congruent parts, from which one part is already given. AD is equals to BC. Proof. Consider the triangle. In triangle BOC and triangle AOD. Consider the first part directly. AD, okay, BC is equals to AD, which is already given. Okay. Now see the figure. In the figure, angle BC is perpendicular at B, means angle B is equals to 90 degree. AD is perpendicular to AB at A, means angle A is equals to 90 degree. Means for triangle, angle CBO is equals to angle DAO is equals to 90 degree, which is already given. Lines are perpendicular, means these angles are 90 degree. Already it is given in example. Two parts are considered. Now only one part is remaining. We have to find out which is the third part. Both the line AB and CD intersect at point O, and after intersection these two angles form. These angles are called as vertically opposite angles, and we know that vertically opposite angles are always equal. Means angle BOC is equals to angle AOD. These two angles are equal, which are vertically opposite angles. You can write these angles as VOA, in short, vertically opposite angles. Now three parts are here. These two sides are equal, already given. These two angles, which are 90 degree angles, and these two angles are also equal. Means in these two triangles, these two angles and one side, these two angles and one side, means by AAS criteria both the triangles are equal. Triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD by AAS criteria. Both the triangles are congruent, and if the triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are equal, and in corresponding parts we can consider OB is equals to OA. And what is the reason for that? These are the CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. OA is equals to OB, and OA is equals to OB means AB segment is bisected. AB is bisected by CD segment. CD bisect AB, or AB is bisected by CD at point O. Now see question number 4. See the figure. In this figure it is given that line L and M both are parallel. Again P and Q, both the lines are parallel. Now see the example. In example we have to show that these two lines are parallel, and we have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. These two triangles are congruent. This thing we have to show here. And lines are parallel means we have to use the properties of parallel lines and transversals here. First write down the given thing. Given thing is simple. L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. Only these two things are given here. To show triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. These two triangles are congruent. Now write down the proof. Firstly, consider these two lines are parallel. P is parallel to Q. If P and Q are parallel, you can consider AC is the transversal and AC is transversal. Now, consider only these two lines P and Q. These are parallel lines and AC is the transversal. This one A and C. And if two lines are parallel, it is the transversal, then these angles, these are the alternate angles which are equal in measure. Means here these two lines are parallel, means this angle and this angle forms the Z, means these two angles are equal. Again here this angle and this angle, if you consider these two lines are parallel and it is a transversal, then these two angles are equal, which are the alternate angles, and these are also the alternate angles. Means these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. So P and Q are, and AC is transversal. Similarly, L is parallel to M, and again same is transversal, AC is transversal. And in both the cases you can consider firstly angle BAC is equals to angle ACD, and second pair angle DAC is equals to angle DAC is equals to angle BCA. Angle BCA is equals to angle DAC. And reason for these angles, both the pairs are alternate angles. Okay. Now consider the triangle. Which are your required triangles? In triangle ABC and triangle CDA. These two are the parts of triangle. You can directly write BAC is equals to angle ACD. Angle BCA is equals to angle DAC from above. ऐसे भी राइट किया तो चलेगा, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आपने शो किए वो एंगल्स इक्वल है. These two angles are equal. Only one part is remaining here, third part. Now here see the figure. In these two triangles, AC is the common side. AC is side of triangle ABC and side of triangle DAC. Means you can write here AC is equals to AC, which is common side for both the triangles, and that's why both the triangles are equal. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Now which is the criteria? Here these two angles equal to these two angles and it is the common side, means two angles and their angle A, angle C and side AC, means two angles and their included side. These are equal, means criteria is angle, side, angle. ASA criteria. By this criteria both the triangles are congruent. Here you have to show only congruent triangles, not the CPCT, means proof is over. Now question number 5. See the figure here. First write down the given thing. Line L is the bisector of angle A. Means this line L is the bisector of angle A. L is bisector of angle A. Next thing, BQ is perpendicular and BP is perpendicular. BQ is perpendicular on AQ and BP is perpendicular on AP. To show, firstly triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB, and second part BP is equals to BQ, or B is equidistant from arms of angle A, means these two parts are equal. These two things we have to show here. Now see the figure. Here two triangles are formed, triangle APB and triangle AQB. In these two triangles it is given that line L is the bisector of angle A, means these two angles are equal. A is divided into two equal parts, these two angles are equal. Again it is given that BQ is perpendicular, BP is perpendicular, means angle Q is equals to 90 degree, angle P is equals to 90 degree. Also in the both triangles, AB is the common side for both the triangles, means two angles and one side. Two angles and one side, these parts are equal in these two triangles, and therefore by AAS criteria triangles are congruent. Write down the proof. Firstly, we consider L is bisector of angle A, and therefore two angles are equal. Angle QAB is equals to angle PAB. Line L is bisector of angle A, and therefore angle A is divided into two equal parts. These are the two parts which are equal. Now consider the triangle. In triangle AQB and triangle APB, consider this one directly. Angle QAB is equals to angle PAB from above. Second part, angle AQB is equals to angle APB. These are the 90 degree angles, or you can say right angles, which is already given. And lastly, AB is equals to AB, which is the common side, means three parts are equal. You can say that triangle AQB is congruent to triangle APB, and the criteria is AAS, two angles, and here side is not included. Here angle and this side is opposite to these angles, and that's why the criteria is AAS, not ASA. These two triangles are equal. And for a second part, you can say that BQ is equals to BP CPCT, BP is equals to BQ, means the perpendicular distance of a point B from both the arms is same.